Today I want to talk about paper weights. No, not these. What I mean is watercolour paper weights. When you buy a pad such as this little emblem that you often see in the corner. I want to explain what these actually mean. Welcome to David Webb Art. If you paint in watercolour, then you probably know that watercolour papers are available in different thicknesses or weights. But how is it weighed, and how do they arrive at those figures? Well, confusingly, there are two different systems, metric and imperial, and the way they are calculated are both different. And in this short video, I want to explain how they arrive at those figures. The weight of the paper in this pad is 140 pounds or 300 GSM. We'll deal with the metric one first because that's the most straightforward. GSM means grams per square metre. So what they do is they take a sheet of paper measuring 1 metre squared and weigh it. And this particular paper will weigh 300 grams. The imperial version is a little bit more complicated. If you buy watercolour paper in sheets, it's usually sold in full imperial sizes. A full imperial sheet measures 22 by 30 inches. You can also buy it in half sheets, half imperial, and this measures 22 inches by 15 inches. And it's also available in quarter sheets, measuring 15 inches by 11 inches. How do they arrive at 140 pounds? What they do is they take a full imperial sheet, well actually they take 500 of those, and if you weigh them, this is known as a ream by the way, if you weigh them, that will come to, you've guessed it, 140 pounds. Well, I hope this has been useful. If you liked it, then please click the like button. If you liked it a lot, you might want to subscribe because I'll be making some more. Bye for now.